Welcome to this weekend's project. Next to me here is my 12th generation Ford F-150 XLT 4x4. I got this truck about 3 months ago from my neighbor 3 lots down. The adventure of bringing this truck here was quite interesting. As you can see right here, as I was pulling it out of his driveway, suspension gave way and I had to drag it to my house. The reason behind all of this is because this truck had this accident. Join me and I'll show you everything I'm going to do to this truck. Come along for the ride. So I'll start by saying that this truck is going to need a lot of attention. At first glance it does look like a nice truck, but has accident damage here on the driver's side. This fender needs to be replaced, this door needs to be replaced, front windshield needs to be replaced. The drivetrain on this truck is absolutely amazing. I'm shocked. It's got 270,000+ miles, but yet purrs like a kitten. For all I know, it's not the original engine. I don't know. Really, I don't. I don't know the history other than the fact that I am officially the third owner of this truck. First owner, you could tell, really cared for it. They put LED fog lamps, LED tail light bulbs, did a lot of interior things to it, aftermarket stuff, expensive wipers, not just a cheap brand. Somebody really cared for this truck. Okay, they did a lot of, little accents. Whether or not you agree with some of these, I'm not a fan of these, but you can tell they really cared for the truck. The truck needs help though, because the second owner was in the construction business. This was his go-to vehicle for painting and for interior construction work, plaster, you name it, it's all over the truck. Now, this is where it gets interesting. The truck itself is from above the northern Rust Belt. Ugh. Anyway, I'm a Florida guy. We don't deal with rust down here unless you're right on the coast, which that's not all of us. Most of us live inland, like I do. Now, again, I'm not well versed with this whole rust situation, and I'm shocked to say that the bottom of the truck is actually in very nice shape for being a northern truck. The rocker panels, however, that's a whole different story. That's bad. I mean, that's nasty. Interior is absolutely horrible. It's been in the construction field with someone who really didn't care to clean it at all. Okay? Today's job, however, is you're going to see how I actually got this truck to my house and how I got the wheel back on. The fact that I replaced the upper control arm. It does still need lower control arm. It needs a spring assembly. It needs a lot, okay? But she's definitely worth it. Let's make magic happen.
All right, tires off. Time to have some fun. Well, I know what you guys are thinking. You guys are thinking, well, according to the video, the next step is to go ahead and... Yeah, I do wear bitch mittens. I do. That's because I have babies in the house. And if I gotta run and change the diaper, I'm gonna get in trouble with the wife when baby's full of grease. Anyway, so you'd think, well, that needs to be replaced. But I like to live on the edge. I mean, there's a new upper control arm. I mean, what more can you ask for? Really? Tell you what, everybody uses that lower ball joint tool. I use a sledgehammer. This whole driver to passenger. Nothing there. No. Guys, she's home. Thank you for riding along with me and seeing what I had to do to this truck to get it from point A to point B. It was an interesting voyage, but I got it done. Please bear with the kinks of the videos. This is only my second upload, and little by little we're gonna come along. I promise you. Don't get ahead of yourselves. A lot of good things to come with this truck, but she's finally here where I want her, safe and sound in my backyard. Stay tuned. Hit that like button. Go ahead, hit the like button down below. Go ahead, do that right now. Comment if there's something that you think I should do different. I want to hear comments. I like positive criticism. I accept it, by all means. Hit the little subscribe button and the little bell button. This way, when I upload the next video, you'll be the first to know. Okay? Lastly, I do want to apologize. I did say in my first video that I would be uploading videos every Sunday. Unfortunately, my grandmother's in the hospital, so I wasn't able to do that yesterday. That being said, here's a video today. Boom. I'm tired. I want to go home and shower. I'm done. See you guys next week. Hope you liked the video.